In this segment, Bruce reinforces my notion, my findings, my research that shows that stress is really the master hallmark of aging and illness. And Bruce points out that what he thinks is that 90% of all illness is stress related. Here's Bruce's take.
90% of illness is all stress.
Right.
Cancer. Oh, let me start again. Less than 1% of disease is connected to genes. There is no gene for cancer. No, there's not one gene. I got that gene, I'm going to get cancer. There is not one gene that causes cancer. Well, then where the hell is the cancer coming from? And the answer is lifestyle and behavior that are not in harmony. And all of a sudden I said, well, then to get rid of cancer, do I have to radiate the body and throw poison in there and kill all the cells? I go, look, if you didn't have cancer and you went through that chemotherapy and the radiation stuff, you would get sick as a dog. And I go, and here are people who are already sick. And then they push them through all this and they make them sicker. And I go, because cancer cells are not the problem. Cancer cells are the symptom of a problem. The cancer was not caused by the gene. The cancer was caused by not being in harmony with the world in which you live. And as a result, you activate a gene. But first, the stimulus was not being in harmony. If you want to get rid of a cancer, you don't change the genes, you change the consciousness.
Yeah. That's why our whole summit is body and mind here.
Very much mind, very.
I just want to go back to one of the things you said earlier. You talked about telomeres and telomerase and ways that we can actually increase telomerase to repair telomeres.
Yes.
Then you mentioned free radicals and all the things that create free radicals. Is there a comparable mechanism that addresses free radicals, or are we just stuck with free radicals?
No. Eat less. That's the whole thing. The amount of food is proportional to the amount of poisoning. That's what it basically says. And therefore, overeating, supersized meals, not exercising or not using the system, but putting in all that food that's being digested, ultimately, the side effects of the digestion process are where the problem comes from.
So would, say, intermittent fasting repair free radical production, reduce free radicals in the body?
Reduce it, for sure. That's the biggest issue, because the fewer cells you kill, the less you're killing yourself. That's logic at that point. So the idea is subsistence diet and basically a very important reduction in carbohydrates, because carbohydrates are a source of major problems. And there's the diabetes type 2, diabetes type 1 genetic issue. Diabetes type 2 is 100% environment. People who have diabetes type 2 can stop diabetes type 2 as soon as they get back in harmony with the environment, against about the eating and the food and what you're doing and stuff like that. A great story. I can't remember exactly who it was running a program. It was called Raw for 30 Days. And basically they said, look, we'll find insulin-dependent diabetics type 2 that are using insulin, and we're going to promise them something. You come with us for 30 days and eat a raw food diet. You will not have diabetes at the end of 30 days. Well, everybody thought, oh, this is really cool. They signed up for it. But about day 3, man, they were climbing the walls, because it wasn't McDonald's burgers what they were eating now, and their favorite foods. Like, we're eating, but they put up with it. What was the point? At the end of 30 days, none of them had diabetes anymore. And I said, yeah, it's environmental. That's why it was caused. But then came the bigger question. I asked them, so what happened when they went home? And 9 out of 10 of them became diabetic. I say, why? Because they went back into the same program behavior that they had when they created the diabetes. They left it for 30 days outside of their world, lived this other way, got clear of the diabetes. But when they came back home, they came back into the exact same environment that precipitated the diabetes, and they got it again. Environment is the issue we're dealing with.
Yeah.